Unfortunately, these two are too close to the house and everything's a jumble, right? So this is a miscam or some kind of boomerang, like lilac shrub. So it's been in here like 8 years or something. It shouldn't have been planted this close anyway originally, but this happens. So out this comes. I would plant this like right here. Then you extend the bed, okay? Give it room. I would get rid of this, put this somewhere else. Let's talk about where. I would also get rid of this. Let's maybe put this somewhere. You keep this. You then get 2 Japanese hollies, good in the sun and shade. One here, okay? One here, and then the other side, little symmetry. You have bulbs in there, so when digging the hole, you take the bulbs and you replant them on either side. You cut this in half, put some over there, okay? You divide this liriope, monkey grass, you put some over there. You take some hellebore, put some over there. You take some of this, I think it's blue ice, I can't remember, put some over there around. You then have continuity, okay? You're filling in the space. It's somewhat symmetrical, but you don't need to be precise. Like you keep this, it's fine. You have the lilac over there, it's great. And then you're done.